In this video, we're unboxing the Diesel Common Rail High Pressure Test Toolkit. The kit includes work gloves, the product label, and the test kit. The kit includes a 0 to 2000 bars shock-resistant high-pressure common rail gauge, 4 high-pressure oil-resistant and pressure-resistant hoses, vehicle-specific adapter fitting bolts, specific inline adapter connectors, pressure control valve, auxiliary oil catch drain bottle, various gaskets, and E-clip style retaining rings, matching seals. First, shut the vehicle off completely. Then fully release any residual high pressure in the fuel system. Next, select the correct adapter fitting. Connect the gauge, hoses, valve body, and the vehicle's common rail high pressure port in series and tighten everything down. Manually purge the air out of the lines as a pre-bleed. Then, let the engine idle. Slowly accelerate the vehicle and read the pressure values under different operating conditions. After testing is complete, shut the engine off and slowly release the pressure. Then remove the tool and restore the fuel lines back to original condition.